Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to enable push notifications for posts on your Facebook timeline. By the end, you'll be able to stay updated every time someone posts on your timeline. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once the app is open, head to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the menu icon. Tap on it to proceed. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and from the expanded menu, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize various aspects of your Facebook experience. Now, look for the section titled Notifications. Under this category, tap on More Activity About You. This is where you can manage notifications related to posts and interactions that involve your timeline. Once you're in this section, locate the toggle switch next to Push. Simply turn it on. This ensures that you'll receive push notifications whenever someone posts on your timeline. And that's it. You've successfully enabled push notifications for posts on your Facebook timeline. From now on, you'll never miss an update or interaction related to your profile. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need assistance. Stay connected and enjoy using Facebook.